baturu mu nkambi ziri kwingana mwenda bwanyuma y'amezi kushoyeka amakagabo.
We as Canarians, we have been suffering since 2019. But my request is, we were told that the president is about to come this side. So I request you please, go and inform the president that we are here suffering.
Abantu kusaba Eitaka. Abantu hano bari Eitaka yo kupangisa. Abantu bange bari mbabona. Mbe nimbasaba minister borabo izire abantu kuserera abantu Eitaka.
Abana bagira ngo kwihaba ko mu nkambezi imiturire yabo ikabena ku abo kugira ngo batsine kintu cyona icyo kweyamsa. Igiru kusasa munonga abantu bagira ngo abakuru nyamwinzi ugurwo mu bitongore bya government bitari bimwe na bimwe batwire n'abatayira ku nkataro kintu cyona icyo babakoreye.
Minister wengi abanyakutuvistingira hano. We have got a lot of ministers, several number of them, but impact very low.
Mu kugamba kwe minister nagira ngo uzuma hanshonga izi government etiruhamani no kurebeka ngo abantu ba district ya Ntoroko abayishyireho kigwererezeki batungaho kutora.
What I want you to know is that government cannot leave Ntoroko behind. And now on the list of priorities of districts that we are looking at the response to disaster, Ntoroko is on the list and on top of the list.
Minister Lilian Aber hayongere yahumuriza abantu aba yabahamza ku government yahereze gukora entekateka zona zo kubatungira itaka ryo kombeka hamaje.
We will get land to locate. I want you to know that we are already in the process with the district people. There are very many land offers. That they have given us.
Bibikiriyaho abantu nubo bamwe bashoborere minister uko buhwezi bwo kuriya ubu government yose rene bahereza burubuce munonga atiyo minister Lilian Aber nuko kubahamiza ku government iri kuza kongeza habuyambi bwo kuriya uwe yose rene bahereza.
Someone talked about the little number of the quantity of food, that the food they send is not enough. So we are also going to improve on that number. We increase it so it can be enough for everybody.
Gasha kwa Justin Nyakaisiki awatayar West Agenshonga muri district ya Ntoroko.